Hey, what is the major difference between the successful people and to be successful people? And there are two kinds of people out there in the world, the dreamers and the doers. So what is the major difference between the successful people? I can say that the most important thing is a decision. So everybody is taking a decision, because if I really want to become successful in business or in sales, I may decide that I want to be a 100 CR businessman or a 10 million business owner. I want to build a 100 million business within 2 or 3 years. But most of the people are not making it what they really had decided. What is the difference between these creators and the dreamers? I can easily say that it is a second decision. So we all take the first decision, but the difference is everything. The difference lies in second decision. What is that second decision? Is you have to decide that I will do everything and I will do everything. I'll go anywhere to achieve my goals. This is the second decision. Are you ready to take a decision to do anything you want to achieve this goal? This is the second decision. This second decision creates difference.